The recent problem we had with this one and with this one was the high voltage battery junction box. And ever since they did that repair, I've had this sound that has been driving me nuts. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but when you're driving, that is constant, and it's not as loud in the vehicle, but you notice it even if you turn up that volume. Now what it is, and I don't know if you can see it under here, but there's actually a bolt that is loose right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a 10 mil socket, we're gonna go under here, and it's just spinning. So they've cross-threaded that bolt, and now it's just gonna constantly do that. So